Okay, hello everyone. Today we're doing repairing vents with Ennard. This one is... I tried playing it, but it was hard. Like, this is way harder than normal one. Or than Mango. Mango was easy, to be honest, but I didn't even get jump scared once. But anyway, let's just start doing this. I'm Mr. Martian, you know the drill. Is there anything around here you can see? No. But what are these things for? And how do you report glitches? That's all I want to know.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident.
Oh no, something bad happened. Was that Elizabeth? That I guess happened.
Motion trigger, breaker room.
This one's easy. And there, we got that. Perfect.
Well done.
Okay. That's time for that one. Ennard, get the hell out of here. You're not getting me this time. Is Ennard even over here? Yeah.
Well done.
Look at that one. Close the dang door! So am I just supposed to press random buttons? Because that's what I did. God. Wait, did I actually get it right last time? I just pressed random buttons, to be honest. And I got it right. Okay, we'll do it one more time. I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, I just pressed random buttons the time that I did it, and is that rare for me to just like randomly get it?
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been...
Okay, let's just start doing it again.
Motion trigger, breaker room.
How are you supposed to report glitches? I have no idea how.
Well done.
Like, is it... Oh, what do you do with those things? I can't pull them away. Just let me open the door!
Well done.
Close the door. I don't want to see Ennard again. Why does Ennard have to be here? No? Why does it have to be so hard? I can't believe I just randomly got it when I pressed buttons. Because it's literally what I did. And it worked. Somehow. Yeah, I wasn't even... No, okay, I'm gonna do it in the next one. Okay? Because I can't complete it. Because even if I press 1, like 2 on buttons, Ennard is gonna jump scare me. What does that do, by the way? I didn't even know that. I just want to do showtime. Oh, wait a second. Let me see if I can do showtime. Never mind, I'm not doing this. Yeah, so that's just gonna be it for today. I'll try and complete it in the next one. Yep, see you guys.